get it, Zeusy.
Get it, Zeus. Zeus is very tall. See it?
Zeusy, you gotta get it.
You're going to have a fun bath with Dada tonight.
What are you doing?
He tried to get that. And the water is so dirty now. Yuck! Don't drink it. Susie! This is fun. We had so much fun, Zeus. You're going to have fun, take a bath. You're going to have fun.
He likes it now. He knows.
He knew it. I'm going to have fun taking a bath tonight. Oh, yeah.
Zeus, come here. Come in. Come, Zeus, come here. Come here, Zeusy. Want to go in there, Zeus?
He's
Go inside.
with more. You cool down with your chest.
Want to go inside? Lay down.
He's not.
Oh, just lay down.
He lay down. He
Why
laid
is it not going up to his body?
because he's tall.
His legs are taller.
Yeah.